everyone, and welcome to another CADimensions Tech Tip. My name is Steven. With all the new enhancements and improvements added every year, upgrading to the latest version of SolidWorks is what we always encourage our customers to do. However, if they are upgrading from an older version, sometimes the upgrade doesn't go as smoothly as we would like. One of the biggest things we see affects drawing files, both legacy files and files created directly in the new version. The issue that we see is this. Hole callouts come in as this funky MOD-DIAM symbol in brackets rather than the diameter symbol. Lucky for us, this is an easy fix. Simply go to your system options at the top of the screen and head into File Locations on the left-hand side. Pull down the drop-down menu here, and we're looking for the symbol library file down in the S's here. This location commonly gets stuck in the older version that you upgraded from. All we need to do is delete this older version and add the SolidWorks 2019 folder. So we can click here, delete, and we are going to add and head out to the SolidWorks 2019 folder located in C, Program Data, SolidWorks, and we're looking for the version that we have on our machine. So we need SolidWorks 2019. We're going to head into Lang and the English folder. We're going to select that folder, and we can see that our file location has updated. We're going to hit OK to confirm our change, and then we're going to reopen our drawing. And now we can see that our bracket MOD-DIAM has been replaced by the familiar diameter symbol, and we are all set to go here. Hopefully this helps you guys resolve the issue quickly if you run into this when you're upgrading between versions of SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you back on the next tip.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.